So, this is now the final touch. Nailagay na natin ang intake manifold, the carburetor. Nalagay na. So, ang wala na lang dito is the airbox. That one. So, let's check it out. So, ito yung linagay natin kanina. And this point, the water outlet, that one, and the other one is yung nandun, the what we call the thermostat housing. Okay, so ilalagay na natin, and then let's have a test drive later. So that's it. Umaandar na yung engine. Yan. So magte-test drive na lang tayo. Okay, well and good. Wala naman akong nakikitang tagas sa baba. Okay, let's have a test drive later.